Letter C has two sounds, soft sound, hard sound. Letter C, soft sound called as sa and hard sound called as ka. Basically in the school taught to the children only hard sound, that is ka, which is children easily recognize the word. Ka at cat, ka at cut, ka oct cot. But when to use soft sound of letter C, that is sa, when the letter C followed with I, E and Y. C is followed with CI, CE, CY in the word. For example, city, cycle. In the word cycle, there are two C are common. First C called as sa and other C called as ka. Other word, center. Have you seen? C followed with I, C followed with E, C followed with Y and sounds called as sa. I hope this video is helpful for you related to phonics. I hope your doubts are clear.